Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Daniel by name, a biomedical engineer. Welcome to my channel, Dan Biomedical. We've done a lot of videos so far. We've talked about centrifuge, we've talked about incubator, we've talked about suction machine, and today I want to take you through. So today I'm going to take you through ultrasound machine. This machine you are seeing here is ultrasound DC6. So this is an ultrasound machine. The model is DC6. So ultrasound DC6, you can see it here. Ultrasound DC6 is a Mindray machine. It's a Mindray product. See, Mindray. So you can see this is Mindray ultrasound DC6. So this is the company. This is the company that produces this machine, and this is the model, the model of the machine, the make of the machine. The serial number is behind the machine. So this is ultrasound DC6 Mindray machine. So this is what I'm going to take you through now. So this is the screen, and this is the control panel. This is where the doctor, they call them radiographers or something. This is where the doctor does all his manipulations and control this machine. This is the probe. This is the probe of the machine. So this probe, I can show you how to connect all these probes right now. So first of all, I'm going to show you this. You see this probe here? This probe, this is the probe that is used at the vaginal aspects of this machine. So this probe is for vagina. It goes into the vagina. Lest I forget, this machine is a scanning machine. It is used for scanning, to scan the body, to know what is inside. So it can be used to scan a pregnant woman, the tummy, to know the baby's position, the baby's movement, and everything concerning the baby when the woman is pregnant. It can be used to scan any person, man or woman, boy or girl or child, to know what is happening inside the womb, the stomach, and the body of a patient. This one here goes into the vagina of a lady. Maybe a lady has an issue in her vagina, maybe infection or whatever problem, vagina itching or whatever issue, whatever problem a lady is having in the vagina. So they use this one to scan inside the vagina. It's being inserted inside to be able to diagnose and see what is wrong with the patient on the screen. Whatever you scan displays on this screen here for you to see. From there, the doctor, the radiographer can read what is wrong with the patient. This one goes into the womb. They use it on the patient's womb to know what, just like this. See the way I'm doing it? After connecting it, they rub it in the womb like this, just to know what is wrong with the patient. Do you understand? This one is for the womb also, another part of the body. These are the liquid, the liquid that are being used. These are gels. We call them gel. They are gel, ultrasound. You can see on top of there, ultrasound transmission gel. You see, ultrasound transmission gel. You apply this gel right here, on top of here, and apply it on top of here before you also apply it. You apply it on the patient's tummy before you use this probe to manipulate it on the tummy to diagnose what is wrong with the patient. So that is the use of the machine for scanning. This is the port for the probes. So this probe is being fixed like this. Look at the position. You fix it like this, and then you turn this knob here for it to lock. Is that understood? So this is the probe point. So I'm taking it out because I want to do a little work on this machine here today. So this is the printer. This is the printer. Whatever work you do here, you can print it from here. It prints out, then you present it to the patient or to the doctor for interpretation. This is the CD port. This is where you put your CD plate. If you want to bend the scan into a CD plate and give to the patient, this is for future purpose. This is where you put the CD plate for that. Do you understand? So this is an ultrasound machine, like I said. So I'll take you through some things now about the machine. So we are going to continue from there where we stopped off. We are going to continue. So this machine right here. So this is the power switch button. This is the part where the radiographer stores most of his cablings, and you see paper for printing. This is the printing paper. It's stored here. Some cabling, some probes are stored in here. So I open it for you to see. And now I'm going to close it right back. So it's very simple. This is the switch button to on the machine. Do you understand? I follow you. So now I'm opening the machine. See, you can see that I've opened the back already. I opened the back. So I'm trying to check. I'm doing this one. I'm doing maintenance. This is monthly, biannual maintenance of the machine and troubleshooting. So I've opened this part already. You can see. So these are the modules. These are the connecting cables. These are the cables and ports for connection of cables. So this is the power pack. This is the power pack right here. These are the modules. This is the power aspect, power pack, power supply. You see. So I want to open. I can turn right here. So I want to remove this side. I want to remove the side cover to see if there is, to do my normal maintenance. Are you following me? So I want to remove the side cover to do my maintenance on this machine. So this is how it goes. I think right here we have an Allen key right here. So I'm trying to open the back cover here. So I'm going to open here, right here. So let's check if there is screw here. Let's check to be sure there is no screw holding it. So I try to open the back cover and do our checks. So that's when you open this. So here you can use a blower to blow all this. So there's something we call blower. So you use it to blow all these parts. Use it to clean and blow all this part when you're doing your routine maintenance. You must open the back. Use blower to blow all these parts. Make sure they are dust free. You can see a lot of dust in it. So, but my blower is not here. I didn't come with my blower, so I can't really blow it for you now. So we are trying to still trying to open the side view. You can see this is what you can do. You try to locate the screws so that you can open the machine thoroughly. It looks a bit stressful. It looks a bit stressful, but as an engineer, you must have that patience so that you don't spoil it. So you can see there's a screw here also which I'm trying to open. So basically this machine is called ultrasound D6, and it is used mostly for scanning purposes. We use it for scanning purposes. So I'm saying so when you use for scanning purposes. So I'm going to use my torchlight to see if there is any other screw there that is holding it. I can see one there. And then I go down. Okay. So basically nothing really, but it should be able to open for us to access it. But I think I am seeing one more screw in there, which I will try to open as well. I'm seeing one more screw right here, which I'm going to also try to open. Because one screw can stop an equipment from opening, and if you try to force it, it can cause damage to the equipment. Whenever you're working, always try to make sure the equipment, before you start working on it, make sure you take the equipment off power, because there could be leakage of power. Is that understood? So now we have to check what is holding it. Probably there could be a screw here that is holding it. So we want to see where the liquid is holding it. Okay. There could be a screw holding from coming out from there. So trying to check if there is any screw. So we are still trying to open this ultrasound machine. So I'll show you some part there. I'll show you that this is module. This is the power supply aspect, and this is the power module, the power pack. This is the power supply area, where the power comes from. This is where the direct power supply from that socket goes into. You understand? Then from here the power supplies down to this power pack. This is the power pack that controls this control panel upward. So this is the power pack. Is the power supply area, and then there's a place where the power goes in directly. So these are the cables that connect to various parts. The CPU is in there. We have the module. Everything is embedded inside the machine. So when you open it, you can access and see all those other parts that are embedded inside. Are you following? So So basically, this is what you do. So I'm trying to check something inside the machine. I'm trying to check something. There's something I'm looking for. I want to know if this is the right place to open or not. So you see. Okay. So let's now try opening this other side. So let's try to open this other side as well. So this is the screw. That's it. You open this part as well to check. Don't forget there are screws here. I need to open as well. So basically, when you open this compartment, you will see some boards that are in there. Those are these parts. The boards here will be located there, where you will be able to also do the same thing as blowing them and cleaning them. So that is basically what you do in this machine. You open the back cover, you see all these parts, you try to use blower to blow each and every one of them so that they will be dust free, because it's dusty and this dust can affect the machine. You need blower to blow it to be dust free. You try to reset all these cables. You detach every cable you see and put it back. It's part of your preventive maintenance. So you detach every cable you see, you remove it and reset it back properly. So you try to detach a cable, you see, then you fix it back, fix it right back, fix it right back. You come here, detach any cable you detach, make sure you fix it right back in. Are you following? So you try to detach some cables and then fix them right back in. make sure they are seated properly right in. Make sure you seat them properly back. Glue them, so that's it. Try to glue them. And then sit them back right in. Make sure you sit it back in properly. This one doesn't look like that's entered properly, so I'll take it out back. Then I'll fit it back in. You see that's entered. Remember I forgot to blow this one, so blow it again. Blow it, fit it back in. This is what we call preventive maintenance. All this I'm supposed to use my blower, but the blower is not here. It's with someone, so I try to do manual blowing. So we try to detach every connection and try to make them dust free. Make them dust free. Anyone you detach, make sure you put it right back. And make sure it is fitted in firmly. Fit it in firmly. If it is loose, it might not function properly. So make sure it is fitted back tightly. Make sure it is fitted back tightly in for proper functionality. So you see, all the cables. All these cables have their own functions. All these cables have their functions that they are doing in every functions of this machine. Every cable here have their own special function. So you can't alternate or bypass any of them. They all have their functions. One cannot work without another. So they all have their different functions in the machine. Do you understand? So after that, you blow the entire company with your blower, then you connect your cable, and then you power on your machine. So I'm going to power it on for you to see how it behaves when powered on. So I connect my cable. Cable right here. I found my power switch and I put on the switch of the machine. See? You see? Now the machine is powered on. It's coming on right now. It's coming on right now. You can see it's coming on. See the screen? See the screen? This is 6. Can you see? Ultrasound DC6, right? Can you see the screen? Look at the light in the control panel. So this part is the control panel. This is like your mouse. This ball here is like your mouse. You can take it out and clean it and work on it. Do you understand? This ball is like your mouse that you work on. And these are your various keypads for navigations. Do you understand? So this is the basic things you need to know. Troubleshooting you need to know about an ultrasound machine. Are you following? If you have any question concerning this training, do well to ask me. Don't hesitate to ask your questions. You can either chat in the group to ask your questions, or you chat me privately for your questions. And if you have any contribution or concerns, do well to ask any question you have concerning this training. And if you need a certificate for this training, after the end of this training, you can also call for it. Is that understood? So any question is welcome, contributions are welcome. Please don't forget to share this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.